Honorable De Lima is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Tama po yung sinabi ng ating Chair na hindi po tayo sakop ng prohibition. Yes, meron ho tayong Secrecy of Bank Deposits Law na sinasabing sikreto, confidential, yung mga bank deposits, pero hindi po naman yan absolute rule na wala na siyang exception. Ang exception dyan, isa sa mga exception na yung cases of impeachment. Pero bago po ako to dwell on that, ay tungkol naman po dun sa sinasabing pwedeng may prohibition. Kasi nakalagay po sa Section 3 of the law itself,
Louder,
Republic Act-
Honorable De Lima, louder.
Republic Act number 1405 or the Secrecy of Bank Deposits Law, it is explicit. It applies only to officials and employees of banking institutions. Nakasabi po sa Section 3, it shall be unlawful for any official or employee of a banking institution to disclose to any person other than those mentioned in Section 2 hereof any information concerning said deposits. So, ang pinasabi na po, kagaya nung sinabi ng ating chair, ay yung AMLAC, AMLC. At hindi po bangko, at hindi po mismong bank accounts ang pinasabi na natin. Ang pinasabi na po natin ay yung record, if any, of suspicious or covered transactions.